Hello everyone! Let's make some chiffon cake. In a mixing bowl, we need 2 cups of flour. We need to add some salt, sugar. We also need baking powder. We can ship them all together, just like that. Now we can add some oil and have some orange juice. 3/4 cup orange juice and some vanilla extract. We need 7 eggs. We're going to separate egg yolk and egg whites. The egg yolk will go to the batter, just like that. And then the egg whites, we're gonna use that to make a meringue. Okay, once we're done that, we're gonna have to add cream of tartar. Just put 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We have to gradually add the sugar to the egg whites, about a tablespoon at a time. As you add sugar, the mixture will become thick, glossy, and sticky. That's exactly what you are looking for. Once the meringue is ready, we're gonna have to mix the batter. Just like that. And then pour gradually over egg whites, folding in with rubber spatula. Do not stir it. Pour the batter into the pan and bake it for 45 minutes to 350 degrees. You will have a nice cake. Enjoy! Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye!